Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to tell you about recipes for perfumes. Now, personally, I think it's much more fun to create your own recipe than to go from a recipe of someone else. What you would want to do is you combine base notes, heart notes or middle notes, and top notes. The base notes are the ones that are going to last the longest. They're usually resins, woods, and then you want to combine them with the middle notes. These are the heart of the perfume. They'd be some florals, some herbs, and then the top notes, they're the fleeting notes. They'd be things like citrus and some of the seed extracts. So really, I would recommend, instead of following a recipe, to experiment and create your own. So I just, off the top of my head, I could grab some vetiver, which is a very nice base note, put a few drops of that, write down how many drops I used, then pick out some nice middle notes, some florals, jasmine maybe, just experiment. It's so much more fun. Add some top notes, some citrus, I think maybe lime or orange or mandarin. So experiment and try a few different things.